Welcome to GetUp Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to know if your computer runs 32-bit or 64-bit Windows 11 or 10. For your information, Windows 11 only runs 64-bit operating system and you will not find any 32-bit operating system. However, for Windows 10, you will find several methods to find out if your Windows 10 runs 32-bit or 64-bit operating system. For that, first I will guide you with settings app and then with another options such as control panel and command prompts, etc. So first let me begin with settings app. For that, right click on this one start button and here select settings, or you can also open this one settings app by pressing Windows plus I key on the keyboard. Then here click on this one system, then scroll down to the about and click on this one about tab. Then under device specifications, you will see here system type as 64-bit or 32-bit. If here you find x86, that means your Windows 10 is running 32-bit operating system only. Next one method is control panel. Through control panel also you can find if your Windows 10 runs 32-bit or 64-bit operating system. For that, click on this one start button and here type control, then click on control panel app. Here set view by to large icons or small icons. Then click on this one system option. This will take you to the settings app and here you can find under device specifications if your Windows runs 32-bit or 64-bit operating system. Next is through system information. You can also find if your Windows runs 32-bit or 64-bit through system information. For that, click on this one start button and here type system information and click on this one system information app. Here select system summary in left and on the right you will find system type. Here x64 or x86. If it is written as x64, then your operating system is using 64-bit, and if here you will find x86, then your operating system uses 32-bit operating system. Next one is you can check if your Windows 10 runs 32-bit or 64-bit operating system through command prompt. So first click on this one start button and here type cmd, click on this one command prompt tab and here type system info. I will type this command or this video description also, so you can refer from there this one command. After typing system info, press enter on the keyboard. It will load a lot of information from your Windows operating system, and at the top you will find system type entry. Here you can determine if your Windows runs 32-bit or 64-bit OS. Next one is through PowerShell. You can use the same command on PowerShell to find if your Windows 10 runs 32-bit or 64-bit operating system. For that, click on this one start button, type PowerShell. I have already uninstalled PowerShell. I hope no, I was wrong. So click on this one PowerShell entry, and once it opens, here type system info, and after that press enter on the keyboard. This will also load same details as I had shown in this one command prompt, and here you need to find out system type and Here you can determine if your Windows runs 64-bit or 32-bit operating system. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, please subscribe to my channel, and if you are already subscribed and if you like this video, kindly like, press thumbs up, share and enjoy. Thank you for watching this video.